Wow, hello guys. I hope we are here right now. Welcome back to K James TV. I'm here to show you some tips and tricks in Excel and other uh, Microsoft Office applications. So for today, we are going to see another new trick for Microsoft Excel. So let's go back to our Microsoft Excel. So now, uh, this is our Microsoft Excel. Let me go to the data I have here in order to show you something better today. Most of the time, we have data in Excel, but people do like this for making uh, some data in one table or joining the different data from the, for instance, sheets or tables or another way in order to combine all those data in one table or one document. So now we are going to take this example as usual. Sometimes people paste data like this. Check, check for others, copy and paste. You see that this takes uh, more time. Okay, get this data, copy, paste. You see that this takes a minute to get all those data in one table. So now I'm going to show you one trick that can assist you get all those data in table from one click. So now don't go far, keep watching this video. So now we are going to make a formula, simple formula, in order to get all those data that we have here in one table. So now this is the best way you can use in order to combine your data in Excel. So now let's go. We're going to type equal. Please make sure you write this formula correctly because will assist you to get your data in Excel. So now we're going to use VStack and select the data we want to copy. Okay, comma, select also, comma, and close brackets and hit enter. You see that our data comes in one Excel, while people using to copy one name and another one name. So means that you copy your data in one table form for the a simple way. For instance, if you change here, see that is Kellen. You see that also it changes on the table you have. Means that uh, for another way that we tried to use, those data won't change in the area we have copied the text. So now for here, whenever or whenever you change the data from your past document or your past table, it automatically changed in the new table. So now, thank you for watching this video. We are here for showing you a best way to minimize the time while you are using Microsoft Excel. So now it's time for showing you some tips and tricks in Microsoft Excel. So we are here for you. Keep watching our videos, like, share, and comments. And don't not forget to tell us what you want to know for next video. Thank you for watching.